So one of my kids' favorite things at a holiday or a birthday party is actually getting their face painted. So that's why I want to get a way to face paint them at home, just for fun, especially like for holidays, for Christmas. It's such a fun activity to do face paint and body paint. So that's why this is the set. So this was actually gifted to me from the brand, but it's always hooking my ass review. So what I've fallen out, 2 paintbrushes that come with it. So I am actually a big makeup person. So I'm actually a makeup brush. I'm very picky, let's just say. So these actually feel really nice. These are super precise, which this is actually a great eyeliner gift. So this would be a great like lining brush if you want to put some lines. But I'm gonna go through all the colors and we're gonna show you how they go. These are washable, so they easily come off with soap and water, which is great because if you've ever tried to remove some face paint from your child, it is honestly a pain. So we're gonna go through all the colors. I almost got all of them. So let's see, we have green. So what you're gonna get too is you're gonna get this nice fine or sharp point, not sharp point, but it's gonna be easily able to go, and you're gonna twist from the bottom and it's actually gonna come up. So you get a good amount of product. So this should last you a long time. A lot of face painting in the future. So we're gonna do, because I'm not an artist, not myself, but we're gonna do a little color. And I do have some moisture on my face. And I do have some oil. So we have green. And we have orange. Black. So as you can see, these are going on really well, especially considering I do have like some oil on my face. I have some lotion. Yeah, the brown looks really good. A different green. I have pink, which my daughter will love. But I love too the texture on these and how easy it is to come. So if you wanted to do like a nice little design, these are really easy to move. Let's see, the white. White's always very hard. I don't know if you can see on my pale skin, but the white looks amazing. So here's red. So if you're looking for a fun way to like, especially like a kid's party or something, definitely with some face paint. Especially you can buy a kit, these are no mess for you, just mess on the face. And then you can go in and take your brush and kind of smudge it, be super artistic. So if you're looking for a good way to face paint, definitely this.